If you are seeing the camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat message on your Android device, don't worry. This is a common issue and it simply means that your phone's photos are not saved to Snapchat's cloud or Snapchat memories. Here is how to fix it. Open Snapchat and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left. Then tap the gear icon at the top right to go into settings. Scroll down to find and tap on memories. Make sure that Smart Backup is enabled or checked. This ensures that your memory, including saved snaps and stories, get backed up even when you are on mobile data. Now go back and try to upload your selected photos from your device gallery to Snapchat's memory. Also note that Snapchat doesn't automatically back up your full camera roll. All the snaps and stories saved to memories are backed up by Snapchat. If you want certain photos in your camera roll backed up, you have to manually move or save them to memories within the app. After completing these steps, the message should appear and your selected photos will be safely backed up to Snapchat's memory.